Creating a lead magnet is a powerful way to connect with your audience. It's more than just a freebie. It's a bridge to building relationships. Imagine crafting something your audience can't resist, a gift that speaks directly to their needs and desires. This process of content creation is an art filled with intention and heart. Your goal is simple: to create meaningful connections through quality content building. When you give value, you receive trust. A PDF lead magnet can be the perfect tool for this mission. It's easy to make, yet impactful when done right. Start by understanding your audience's pain points and solve them with your content. Keep it simple but insightful, ensuring it resonates deeply with their needs. As they download your PDF, you are not only creating a lead, but also beginning a journey together, a path toward list building that grows stronger with each person who finds value in your work. In every page of your PDF, let authenticity shine through. Share your knowledge generously while maintaining clarity and simplicity. Use visuals sparingly to enhance understanding without overwhelming the reader. Remember, this isn't just about adding numbers to an email list. It's about nurturing genuine interest and engagement. With each thoughtful page you are laying down, the foundation for lasting connections is built on trust and mutual respect as you grow alongside those who choose to follow you on this journey. Click on the link below to see the link building methods that I use to connect with prospects. Thank you and have a great day.